This weekend warrior is riding motocross on a Monday because my homie Levi invited me out to ride his new private track. What's going on, Levi? Obviously, there's a lot to be excited about here, having a new place to train. So close to my house, I can get out there on a weekday afternoon. And before we spin our first laps here, I figured it's probably wise to watch Levi tear it up on the masterpiece they've been building. Levi recently started a YouTube channel and he's been killing it, so be sure to go check that out. Now that we've seen a hot lap with our own two eyes, I think it's time we give it a rip ourselves. Gonna start out hopping on what's kind of the finish line straight here. After a roller, you just kind of send rhythmic little straightaway here, not quite flat, just kind of doubling through the section there. Small roller, small tabletop. They got plans to make that table and this table coming up longer and longer over time. Tricky little whoop section there. Fast guys can double in, or else you can go roller double like I did. Trying to set up on the outside for this triple here. Lost my front end in that rut. Gonna lose it in the next lap too. Optional inside to the tight U-turn there, or kind of try to rail it around the outside as I've done. Long and low roller, kind of tight roller, and then a cheeky little Supercross double right there. Definitely got a seat bounce and pop off that one to make it. Huge caked up berm right there before a small little send it roller into the deep mud. Super sick inside rut there before that tiny little step up gap. Just focusing on getting the acceleration up and out of that corner. Mega sick inside rut with the U-turn there. Long sweeper to the outside with another little long and low step down. Really got a seat bounce to clear this one as well. 90 right through the mud, a lot of deep ruts, and then we're kind of sweeping left onto that finish line roller. Super sick track, especially as far as a private track goes. I was particularly impressed with and enjoying riding a track that's buried in the woods like this. Most of the open public track's going to be on a cleared out field. It's nice to be surrounded by shade and nature, because you know your boy Carrot is for the trees, all the plants and vegetables out there in nature. Particularly excited about this though. Levi Hoxton, incredibly talented local rider, one who frankly I've learned from myself. He's faster than I am. Races super minis, schoolboy, moving up through the ranks. Definitely incredibly talented rider, looking for his own place to train. And I think one of the main concepts of this facility they're building is that they're just going to let it get beat to heck. You know, most of the local tracks you go to open to the public. You show up on a Saturday, you're going to get a fresh prep, fresh groom. But if you're showing up to Loretta area qualifiers or the regionals, you're You're riding tracks that don't have a flat spot on them. It's either acceleration bumps, leaving the corners, braking bumps, entering corners. You're in a rut the entire time you're riding. So by having a place where they can choose how to prep and maintain it, you can practice riding various levels of a degraded track. Not super broken down right here, but obviously ruts in every straightaways. Had an absolute blast. Looking forward to a lot more of this very, very soon. As always, I appreciate y'all tuning into the video. Look forward to catching y'all on the next one very, very soon. I just got home from Loretta's regionals. We're going to be talking about that. Until then, I look forward to catching y'all on the next one. I hope y'all enjoy the rest of these little laps. Peace. Yo.